How to add a background image in PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a background image on a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide where you want to add a background image. Now next, go to the Insert tab on the top menu and there you will see different options to insert image. You can either use Microsoft free image library or upload one from your computer. To use an image from your device, just click on this device and browse your computer and select the image or photo you want to set as a background. And once the image is inserted into the slide, zoom out a little to get a better view and then resize and position the image so it covers the entire slide. Now right click on the image and choose send to back option, and this will move the image behind all other content on the slide, making it as your new background. And that's it. Now your slide has a beautiful custom background image. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.